Jeff Tech here. We got some beef for dogs. It's Christmas time, and I wanted to show you guys. Look how easy this thing comes apart. This spaghetti squash. You just dig the seeds right out of there, no problem. Look at that. The seeds are out. Save that. I'll take those seeds right out of there. Come out like butter. I love it. It's so much easier. It's so much easier after it's cooked. I put this spaghetti squash in the oven for an hour at 350. And we're gonna save this half for tomorrow. And chuck that in the trash. Give this a quick little. Oh, it's so nice and soft. I tried rice, like I said before, but these guys don't really like rice too much. But they like the spaghetti squash. They don't like pumpkin, but they do like spaghetti squash. So I guess it's because it's not too sweet, but it's good for them. It's got fiber in it. Yeah. Get this in the bowl while the burgers are cooking. Got those on medium-high heat. Get in there. And then we got some chicken, some fresh boiled chicken that I made. That's from 2 days ago. Put that back. Get back in there. Over here, we'll give these a little flipperoonie. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some color to it. There we go. Burgers for dogs. We'll turn that flame down. I'll just turn that off, really. We'll just let those simmer. And in here we'll chop up some chicken. Nice and thin. You could pull it, you could chop it, you could cut it, you could shred it in the food processor. This is just as easy for me to just chop it up for the buddies. I hope you guys are having a good Christmas. Hope you got your family and your friends. I hope you got all your gifts given and gotten, and everybody's happy and full and fed. Yeah. This is just adding a little special holiday twist to the normal stuff that we get for these guys. Like I said in the last video, I cook for them every day, and they really seem to appreciate it. This morning I gave them some leftovers, and they were a little bit not too impressed. You know, I think they like the anticipation, knowing that dinner's coming, knowing that their person is cooking something for them. I think they like that just as much as we do. And then just to make this a little bit more festivus from the rest of us, I'm going to grate some carrot. This is great because it's got beta carotene and vitamin A and vitamin C and fiber. Fiber is good for dogs, if you know what I mean. Helps everything come out nice. I've been using a lot of carrots lately. I grate them into my salad, and I grate them into my tacos, and just take a bite of one. Real palate cleanser. Yeah, I'll get some carrot in there. And apparently dogs are colorblind, but that just adds a little bit of color to it. For the seasonals, give this a shake. And yeah, that's ready to go. Get their bowls. Get their little bowls over here. Little stainless steel bowls going on. Rinsey rinse. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, there's my little guy. Hey, Tuff Tuff. Happy Christmas, Mr. Dog. Yeah, they love this part of the day. Give Marley a little, Tuffy a little, Marley a little. That's about right. A little bit more for the guy. He's a little bit bigger. And then when they're done, these are nice and cooled off. They'll have an after dinner treat. But I'm going to bring these over to my friend's house, because the big one is for Stella Wella. The big one's for Stella. Yeah. She's going to like it. For these guys, oh yeah, those came out nice and cooked. We'll wrap these up and give them to them in a minute. And yeah. Add a little bit of this Booster Superfood Topper. It's got vitamins and Nutrimals. Not a nutritionist by any stretch of the imagination, but dogs like hemp seeds. Just a little. Just a little. Oop, too much. Too much. Just perfect. A little extra for the girl. And yeah, there they go. You guys hungry? You guys are hungry, dogs? Oh, what? Look at that. Look at them go. Yeah, look at them go. That's for you guys. I know. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks for coming. Have a great new year. Love you all. Jeff Tech signing out.